Narendra Modi has assured that the northeastern state of Assam will be made number one in development if the BJP is voted to power. Addressing tea labourers in Moran, he denounced the opposition for impeding the passage of pro-poor laws in parliament to avenge their poll debacle.
Moy Ajir Esibha Duntut Hamagraham Bahiloi Avinandan Jonaiso.
Prime Minister set the tone for his interactive speech in Assam, beginning it with Assamese as the gathering roared in approval. The comfort and ease it immediately generated remained with the people for the remaining part of the speech. PM Modi exhorted people of Assam to choose development, which he said has so far eluded the state.
आपके जीवन में आनंद लाना है और इसलिए आसाम में सर्वानंद लाना है। सारी सरकारें आई, वादे करके गई, लेकिन आसाम में एक भी सरकार ने इन गरीबों के लिए कोई वादे पूरे नहीं किए। हम वो वादे पूरा करना चाहते हैं। आप हमें आसाम की सेवा करने का अवसर दीजिए।
Sarbanand Sonowal is party's chief ministerial candidate for the upcoming assembly polls. With assembly elections approaching, Prime Minister launched a blistering attack on the opposition party. Repeated disruptions in parliament found a strong echo in his speech when he accused one party of stalling key legislations.
एक परिवार अड़ा हुआ है कि हम राज्यसभा चलने नहीं देंगे, हम देश का कोई काम होने नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि देश की जनता ने हमें हराया क्यों, हम उसका बदला लेंगे और वो मजदूरों से बदला लेंगे।
Trying to strike a chord with peasants, Prime Minister elaborated on the initiatives of the NDA government in easing the troubles of farmers. He listed crop insurance reforms as a pioneering effort by his government to ensure that crop failure does not hit the farmers very hard.
प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना बनाई है, अभी उसको लागू किया है। पहले 50% तक कभी-कभी बीमा का पैसा देना पड़ता था, हमने उसको 2% कर दिया, 2%। और इतना ही नहीं, वो जितना बीमा उतारेगा वो सारा का सारा मंजूर किया जाएगा और इस प्रकार की व्यवस्था की। और पहले की तरह सालों तक रुकता था नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करके तुरंत भुगतान हो, उसकी भी व्यवस्था की।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also elaborated on the stress the centre was laying on the northeastern region. He said that the Act East policy was an endeavour towards that end, especially targeting at boosting connectivity and infrastructure, as the region was lagging behind in these sectors. This is the second visit of the Prime Minister to Assam in a span of 3 weeks. Assam goes to assembly elections later this year, and NDA is keen to repeat its impressive performance in the Lok Sabha polls in 2014. With Sudhir Yadav and Kumar Alok in Assam, DD News.